Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Idea Tab Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold power button and a volume up at the same time. From the options, select power off. And when the device turns off, again hold power button and volume up. When you see the Lenovo logo, you can let go of the power button, and then in this mode also volume up. Now you can see we have two options. We have enter meta mode or fastboot mode. So volume down, that's what we're gonna press right now, will take us to fastboot mode, which you can see right here at the bottom. Fastboot mode, and that's how you boot the device into fastboot mode. Now to leave this mode, you will need to hold volume down along with the power button. So I'm gonna do that right now. There we go. And I believe we do need to hold the power button to boot it back up, so let's see. Yep, there we go. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.